Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Aries, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstances, guys. And this reading will resonate for your sun, moon and rising signs, guys. And if you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have house, bouquet and coffin. So in your circumstances, Aries, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you are seeing some challenges, something is happening. It may be a painful circumstance, something giving you a lot of stress and anxiety. Maybe in your work you may see some delays or suspensions, financial loss or some difficulties, and you feel that whatever you do, maybe you faced a lot and all the trials and sacrifice you have done has not changed anything, and that is maybe making you even more sad and stressed. And maybe for some of you, someone close to you, maybe your friend or a family member, may leave you, guys, and that again is a reason for some kind of stress you are seeing today in your circumstances. But if you are in some difficulty, guys, if you are in separation or if you are seeing some challenges in your circumstances, you are going to see the end of those difficulties today, and you can be happy for that. So with these cards, I see that whatever troubles you are facing in your life, maybe in your work some loss or some difficulties, whatever it was you were seeing is coming to an end very soon, guys, and you are building a stable, strong future for yourself. You are making the right choices in your work or in this relationship. Right choices. So what will work for you? You are making that right decisions today. So some kind of clarity and understanding you have reached. So these challenges have helped you to, these challenges would have been painful, but it has made you much stronger than before. And you know what will work and what will be the right thing for you. It has given you a lot of experience, wisdom and clarity. So you know clearly what is your next step in this relationship or what you need to do. Maybe for some of you guys, this person you love, they are coming with gifts, maybe to show their true love on you, or maybe if you were in some argument or some fights, they are coming to patch up things, coming to pacify you with gifts, and they love you, guys, and that is the reason they are here and they want to make amends. And maybe it may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is Bear. So with this card, it may mean that this person you love, they may say few things, like it may look like they are controlling you, but whatever they tell you is out of love, guys, and they love you, and that is the reason they are saying few things to you. And though it may be something hard, though it may be something you cannot follow, you can at least listen to them and see the truth in their words. That is going to help you a long way in your life, guys, Aries. So for your career circumstances, Aries, we have man. So you have a lot of challenges in front of you, guys, and you are focusing on that, focusing on your career situation. There may be a lot of challenges you need to overcome. So maybe for some of you, if you are in a relationship, you are not making that next step towards marriage or commitment. Maybe you want to achieve few things in your work situation first before thinking of marriage or a deeper commitment, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Don the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty. and all your good actions will always be rewarded, no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself. You just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out. And you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.